Good evening, guys. How's everyone? US30. Let's get started on this analysis. I've been previously sharing a lot of videos on US30 because this has been one of the main pairs which I've been trading. Been trading extremely successfully, and last week we had a major rejection from a significant level, which was one of the weekly resistance. So let's try to establish where the price is and how to approach the price action leading into next week. That's what the objective is. Let's focus on this. Price is currently sitting at a triple top formation. You had 1, 2, 3 triple top formation. Now, just because there is resistance level which has been respected previously does not mean in any way that the price cannot break to the upside. Of course, price can break to the upside. So just remember this. It doesn't mean just because price is near the resistance level and it has previously been rejecting that the price will always be rejecting. That's not the case. Now, because price is near and at the resistance level, the only trading opportunity we are interested in is selling. And I'll explain you that concept. Please understand this. A basic concept of support and resistance. That's your resistance. Price came towards resistance. Price rejects, goes down. Now price came again at resistance. If you think and if you believe, if you see the presence of extreme buyers and you believe the price is going to break that resistance, you cannot yet start buying. That is against the rules, basic and fundamental rules of price action. You have to wait for the resistance to turn support first. So you want the price to break this first. I said break this first, retest this level, confirm it as a floor from the ceiling before you start buying there. No matter how much you think that this level will be breached and the price will break to the upside, you cannot start selling. You cannot start, buying in this level. You can't. You have to wait for the price to break and retest before you start buying. The reason is weekly support and resistance level, daily support and resistance level are significantly important. And you'll see on average that price respects them. Price normally respects them 60%, 70%, 80% before it breaks. You'll see this. I'm talking about weekly and specifically daily levels. Let me give you a good example so it makes sense. This is weekly levels. Price respected, price respected, price respected, price respected. Price breaks here, came back again, respected, price respected, price respected. So it's extremely important to understand. It's a basic fundamental principle. You have to hold your guns and wait for the price to break the resistance, make it support before you start buying and selling. So coming back to the analysis, let's keep the video short and precise. Price is on the significant resistance. The week before, we had this huge engulfing candlestick, which has shown some weaknesses right on the resistance on Thursday and Friday of that week. Now, based on this, our trading plan was our trading plan. You cannot have a bullish trading plan there. For the price to go higher, price has to break this first, retest, and goes higher. Please understand, it's fundamentally important principle, a basic principle, extremely important principle. Now, last week, the price rejected, you got this, I'd say a hanging man or a dodgy formation, shows significant rejection, shows the previous momentum of bullish buyers have exhausted. So I am expecting that the price, if, and I'll say it again, if the price fails to break this level, which is at 26.94, then I'm expecting the price, to go down, at least to this target, which is at 25.90. That's my expectation is. Very simple principle. So look at previously, price came up, then you had 2 weeks of doji formations. So what happened? What doji formation is telling us that it doesn't mean the sellers have entered the market. What it's telling us is the prior bullish momentum has disappeared, has exhausted. There is a change. Nobody's saying sellers have entered the market, but what it means is something has changed, that the buyers have left the market. Look, price came up. Then all of a sudden you had this inside bar, rejection, doji formation. It's doji stock, shooting star, doji, I'd say this. Again showing, doesn't show us that sellers are present there, but what it's telling us is prior buyers have exhausted, and that's important indication. Similar, it's not completely and entirely bearish formation. It isn't, neither is an indication that buyers have totally disappeared, but yet you can see there is something has changed from the previous momentum. So our bias is that the price, we will be looking for selling opportunities on this next week, as long the price doesn't break 26.94. Quickly, let's break it down to the daily chart and have a look. That's my trading plan is price rejected last week, the week before on Friday, shooting star formation, inside bar, shooting star, huge engulfing candlestick, engulfed the previous 2 days. So it was pretty easy from Tuesday onwards for you to wait for this retracement, price to make a low high formation to take advantage. And we've been selling here. Even it was pretty easy in the beginning of this week, last week, when you had shooting star on first day, and Friday you had this inside shooting star candlestick to look for selling opportunities on Monday. Now I'm expecting the price not to break these highs, and go down. So this is what I'm going to say. Look for low high formations. So a trade from a low high formation to a low formation. That's your trade. That's what you're looking for. That is the move you're playing. Let's shape it up further. There we are. So that's where we are. My trading plan is that look for selling opportunities on this. So I say it again, look for selling opportunities on this. That's the trading plan. As long as the price remains below 26.94, for some reason I've kept on saying 96. I should be looking at another pair before 26.94. If the price rejects there, then look for selling opportunities. Look for low high formation to take advantage. Now, the rules for low high formations has to be based on your strategies, one you use, but this is the trading setup. You can't have a bullish trading setup. Again, if the price don't show this retracement, then what? Price comes there, holding this level, don't start buying. Wait for the price to break this, gives you the low high formation, sell it. As I said, low high formation. because the price is already near this resistance, any seller's entrance here, any rejection here will be an indication for a low high formation. To look for selling opportunities next week. So next week, US 30, I will be looking for selling opportunities as I've been trading this pair last week. Nice selling opportunities. One of the most clear price action we have encountered last week, where the week before on Thursday, Friday has a shooting star inside rejection, Monday huge rejection, and Tuesday huge rejection, and then you've had this couple of opportunities on Wednesday when the price spiked higher, another low high formation here on the smaller time frame. So that's where we are, and what I'm expecting is the price to go all the way to 25.90 if the momentum carries on. The significant levels of target that you should keep in mind are 2622 and 2695. Keep in mind that the price should not break 2693. Apologies, the targets are 2622 and 2592, and if the price breaks at 2694.95, then make sure that you stop selling as the setup has been invalidated. Then it looks to me a good trading setup, a good trading opportunity. See how the price develops next week, but take advantage of this. Try and understand how I've conducted this top bottom analysis. Utilize this analysis with your trading strategies to take advantage. Thank you very much, and I hope you're enjoying the YouTube videos. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to drop the messages underneath. I'll come up with more videos later this week as I see more trading opportunities as we progress. Thank you very much.